Hello and welcome. In order to get started with Audacity, you'll need to go to your favorite search engine and you'll want to type in Audacity. And typically, you're going to see a search result that will look like one where you're going to see the website audacityteam.org. If you find that website, you are going to want to go there. As of the recording of this video, you're going to see Audacity version 3 or above. And you can determine the most recent release and what's involved in that release by clicking the Release Notes button. Now, Audacity is free and open source, so there is no cost involved. All you'll need to do is to download Audacity to your personal computer. And Audacity is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and other sources. Now, according to Audacity, what you can do is to record with it. You can import and export files. You can determine what the sound quality of the audio file that you're creating. Audacity has plugins for specialty creation. You'll be able to use Audacity for editing, as well as effects, accessibility, and analysis. So to start the process with Audacity, you'll go to the system that you have, and then you'll want to download Audacity to your hard drive. Now, for the sake of this course, we're going to look at the Windows version of Audacity. Now, what we'll now do is to go through the install process. But before we do that, we do want to address a concern amongst previous users that Audacity may be spyware. And we will do that in the next video before we go through the install process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.